Over LBC. I put over LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. It is Monday, March 23rd, 2026. At 10:02 p.m. Sorry. Putting on a stop loss. Just entered a long. $72.23. Okay, there we go. Oh, we got a pump. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me. Good evening, Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here, and thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you for doing that each and every single night. Absolutely amazing. A star in her own right. Appreciate you, Alexandra. What's going on? T.I. Joe. Bingo and a bango. How you doing, my brother? Hope you're doing well. If you're not already, be sure to check out T.I. Joe Trade Intuition. Check out his channel. Give him a like. Give him a subscribe. Hit his notification bell. Do all the special things. Managing a trade live. Sorry, I can't. I'm trying to say my good evenings and all that. What's going on? GT Jack, how you doing? Happy Monday. Thank you for being here. We got Jay Aura in the house. What's going on, bro? Hope you're doing well. And good man. It's a great morning show because you have like the well, it's a great show for me to listen to on my way to work because you've got like the all the smack talk, and you've got memes, and you've got the FM radio station soundboard. You've got it all. What's going on, JR? Thank you for being here. What's going on, LBC OG, Melissa One Love? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I do greatly appreciate each and every single one of you. Oh, Dusty Hunt. Sorry, I think I looked over you. Did you go see President Trump today? I did not. I did not. I was at work. I did see that he came to Memphis. So the president, what? Oh, sorry. That's a completely different, irrelevant thing. Um, yeah, I mean, he was close to me, you know. He's been here before. But yeah, he said, oh, this man. He said that we'd pretty much have no crime in like 2 to 3 months, and yeah, I have a feeling he's gonna be very, very wrong about that. I don't know, man. Locals have said that they have noticed a decrease in gunshots, so that's good. Thanks, Avita. Keep trying to improve. Oh man, you're doing great. I think you're doing just fine and dandy, broski. Um, I hopped in along around, I don't even know. Um, I think I actually ended up getting a terrible entry. 70, no, it's current. 495. Yeah, it's basically where I'm at. I know I tried to get it on this candle close because we had so first we come down, we sweep a low, then we get a bounce, and then a pullback. And then once on that pullback, hold on, first I gotta show you the fib. It did get to the 382, and then well, it bullish engulfed right on top of it. Wicked down, just barely missed the 50. Margin of error. But I saw the bullish engulfing, went to jump in, and ended up getting in. Where's my, where'd it go? I guess, I mean, it's a few dollars off, so who cares? I mean, that would have been a nice quick scalp, but going for bigger. 15-minute. Get off here. There we go. I wanted to take a short here, and I actually had this short set up. Because we got the breakdown of the move. I thought about getting in right here, but then I got busy. It's my son's birthday, so I was hanging out with the family during this time. And then I saw, when I got to the charts, I saw the push up here, and then I saw the bearish engulfing, so I thought about jumping in the short there. But it did create equal highs, so my thought was we're going to come up for those equal highs, and then we'll potentially check the reaction and see what happens. And we were right here inside of an order block, so I'd like to see a little push. A little push. It might not get there, but we'll see. 15-minute, we can get there. That's what I want. Where are those equal highs on the 1 minute? Let's see. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Did you all have a good Monday? What a Monday. Am I right? Am I right? Quite the Monday. Quite, we start the day off with a tweet or a truth from Trump talking about they're working on a peace deal with Iran. That was a rejection, too, of that VWAP. Short might not be good. Or long, I mean. The long might not be good. Relatively equal highs, not really equal highs, so that's why I wasn't able to find it on the lower time frames. So let's go ahead and go down to the lower time frames now that I got it marked off. So right here, I mean, it's not really equal highs. It's not really a great high, but it's not really equal highs. I prefer lows and highs to have long wicks like this and to push up, but that doesn't always mean that this will continue to the upside. We shall see. Let's go to the 30-second chart. How are we looking here? I was looking. All right, do we have any equal lows? Okay, this is not looking good. Let's get above the dynamic reactor. Okay. I actually have my trade is my stop is down here. I did not pull up breakout pre-stream. Try to get that set up in the background. Not even a 1-to-1. But I'm still on 30-second. Let's go to the 1 minute. I did catch a short today. This is my only trade that I took today. Essentially rode this down. Following my strategy that I've shared. Time of day. After market open, we get the push. We sweep the high. Fall back within the range. Retrace. Once, twice. Could have entered on either one and still would have been fine. Got golden pocket, run it down. I got in, I believe it was on the 50. Stop just above the high, or right at the high, but just above the high. And I got out right here. It was actually 325. I got out a little bit before that. 73.25, I think. Was it that high? Maybe it was this one. Either way. No, it was definitely down here. I mean, I can just look it up. 135. 135. So yeah, I was right. It was right here. So psyched myself out, bro. 71.35. Oh, this thing's like trying to get me to sign in. Whoops. Oh, guys. So yeah, we're in peace talks, and then Iran says no, we're actually not, and then Trump assured us that yes, we are in peace talks. Off the news, of course, this morning on the tweet, we got big pump up, and I do believe like right around here is when Iran came out and said, or maybe it was even over here when they came out and said that they that the president was lying. And of course, yeah, we saw downsize, really more of a sideways day. And Yeah, this is a really weird consolidation. Really weird consolidation. I don't know if it's like accumulation or distribution. This kind of rounding here doesn't look great. It's going to be a volatile week. That's all I know. Talked about it last night. We might be getting towards the end of what? And what that looks like, I have no idea. But I do know that if it's positive at all, markets will surge. At least temporarily, until reality hits us in the face. You can log in anytime you want. Breakout. Sheesh. Reach out and touch faith. I'm not liking this long. Thought I liked this low, but rejecting VWAP is not ideal. And the dynamic reactor, not ideal. Could be one of these scenarios though. You put in a low, you retrace, you pull back down, and then you come out and you take the high. But we already kind of did a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We shall see. I'm currently down $3. Boom. Yeah, I think I might want to flip. Are you guys short or long? Let me know in the chat. Short or long? Are you in any trades at all? What you doing with your life? What are you doing with your life? Part of me wants to kill this trade. Lots of equal lows here. Let's take them and then run it up. Don't take this low. I don't like it though. Should not have entered a trade right at the beginning of my stream because it's trying to do too much. Short. I know you're short. All set. Is it too late to go short? Depends on your time frame. We do have a fair value gap up here, so there's my hope. Come on. I know you want to come up for that fair value gap. What an odd set of candles. It's weird. Come on, push. Push. Push it real good. Dump. Dun, push it. Dun, 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 dun. Push it real good. Okay, we did get a close above. That's good. Oh, not touching highs. I need to touch highs. What am I doing? Bang, bang. It's not 3. There's 3. Breakout, pullback, golden pocket, launch. Go. Run it up. Run it up. And it's going to dump. Let's zoom out. Let's go to the 15. Take a look, see over here again. think I can get done with this. I think I can be done with that for sure. Now we want to connect highs. That's our downtrending resistance. Let's get rid of this. So looking for, let's go ahead, let's take this off. Pull down. Nope, it's going to be this whole move. That's a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's like the impulsive structure that I'm always talking about that I'm looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's beautiful. That's exactly what I'll look for. And then you get your correction. And then if we are to remain bullish, we should come out of here with another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. And that would make for a second wave of a larger 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within wave 1. These tend to be ABC corrections. ABC, ABC. If it is going to be impulsive. However, if it deviates from that at all, then it is invalid. And it is likely just correcting. If it does anything like this, game over. Probably. Because these lows will want to get tooketh. Takeneth. Who caught that long? I did. I did. Actually, I did. I actually did. Hopped in a long this morning because I saw the breakout and the retest. And I want to say it was on my way to work. So it would have been somewhere in here. No, it would have been before work. Somewhere in here. Because I remember someone saying something about a tweet or something. Because I looked down and I'm like, whoa, what happened? Big pump. I was in JR's chat and I was like, what tweet? I think he said something about a tweet. And he said he read it before I joined the stream. Okay, we're getting that move. Let's go. I was like, and then I went to Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, and saw it for myself. It's like, all right then. Take out the high. Take out the high. Why is the join thing at the bottom of the chat now? That's kind of weird, to be honest. And stopped, but I'm still short from 70.6. Wow. Big move didn't take you out today? Oh, rejecting dynamic reactor. Come on. Not moving the stop yet. Equal highs created. No stop movement until a break above the high, this high. So anything. So yeah, I mean, there's really no news this week. I mean, no. Excuse me. There's plenty of news. No economic data this week. None of the high impact stuff. Oh, excuse me. This week will probably be all about, um, you know, peace deals with Iran or a ceasefire, anything like that. That's what the market is reacting to right now. So that's what we should pay attention to. It is, as usual, Trump season. So we pay more attention to that man's tweets than we do economic data. We pay more attention to him than we do our own portfolios. NASDAQ, what you doing, bro? Oh, you're not looking bad. But you just hit the dynamic reactor too. Damn it. That's a break. That's a break. Failed retest. Ooh. That's a break. Back test. Ruh-roh. She's falling. Candle closes. Forget the wicks. The wicks do the damage, but the candles tell the story. All I want is this high. I'll take this one, though, too. If you guys wouldn't mind going ahead and hitting that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. You're all amazing, beautiful, wonderful people. Radical people. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this. I don't like this chop. I don't like it. Equal highs, though. Equal highs. Let's take the low and run. That's what I want to see. Come on, Solana. Do you guys like it as viewers, at least, to have a watermark on? Ticker. Interval. Like, so you can kind of see what I'm on, in case I forget to say it. Let me know in the chat. I think it wants those lows. Equal lows. We could get a nice, we could get a bull div in here. Hey, sexy. Hey, beautiful. How you doing, my friend? What's going on, Alexo Crypto? What's up, brother? Mad love and respect. Mad love and respect, bro. Brother. Come on down to Chinatown. Want to see this thing come down. Bounce, break. Back test, go. And then take out equal high, equal high. That's the one. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Give it to me. We've had a couple opportunities to enter the trade if we hadn't already. We do have the equal highs. Come on. Fair value gap. Give it to me. Give it to me. Pump it up. Consolidate, push, and then down. That's what I want. Kind of give us a bear, yeah, bear flag. A bear pinois. Penne? I don't know. I don't speak Latin. Wait, do we have equal highs here? Interesting. Right here. Not on this chart. But they are on the breakout chart. Yay, diesel 745 today. The gouging is effing ridiculous. Yeah. And that's the thing. How are they going to change the price so quickly? Because you know that gas is already paid for, right? Like, they already paid for that gas. There's no way they're months behind. But pay for it now, pay for it later. Guess it really doesn't make a difference. Except you could, like, not do such a dramatic increase and maybe increase it more slower. There we go. Come on. Gosh. It'll probably hit target after the stream. As usual. XRP. Equal lows. Should I come out with a shirt lows before hose? And have it be like a picture of like equal lows on it? Could totally get my wife to make me that shirt. All right, this is gonna be. I got a feeling. Don't know if it's gonna come down here, but I think it's gonna come up here, smack VWAP, dynamic reactor, and then run down for the lows. If not that, I think it'll come down, take the equal lows, and then run it back to the upside. We do have a... We'll see. Yeah, run it up. Highs to run it down to run it up. I think that's going to be it. Do have some equal highs here. So that supports the push up. But look, you can see the sequence. Up, down, down. Take that low, come up, down, take that low, run up, down, back to the lows, push higher. That might go. We do have money flow starting to come in, come above the zero line on the chart prime oscillator Pro Plus. No sign of bearish divergence as of now, so no early warning signs of failure. We're getting a push. Come on, break through that dynamic reactor. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Create equal highs. Mark them. Have you tried the new Lord Otter indicator from Alex? I have not, GT Jack. What's going on, David Gelfin? Good evening, good evening. But never reduce it. Yeah, all accumulated between 56 to 62 a barrel. Yeah, exactly. It's like, pff, whatever. But I don't know. Most of the pricing is coming from the insurance, apparently, allegedly. Push it real good. What's going on, 666? No, I have not tried the new Lord Otter indicator. I have not. Is it good? I'll get to it eventually. I have I've gone through so many indicators. So I'll get to it. I go through indicators. I'm interested. Oh, wait. Break of the equal highs. Oh, no, didn't. Oh, dang. Thought it got above. I mean, it closed above. Bearish engulfing. That's a bit unusual to be closing above and then pulling back, but we do have a fair value gap right here. See if it can hold this price and push this up. FEG mitigated. Don't know if it's going to hold it. Nope. Slice through. But this. Okay. Decided to choose violence. I see how it is. It's not fair. Salt and pepper here. Trigger a short in about 30 minutes. Maybe. Oh, the indicator? Yeah, I mean, maybe. Still not liking the long. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bouncy, bouncy. Can't believe my son is 4 today. He had a really good day. He and Mama Bear went to the park. He slid down a slide all by himself. A big slide too, which is big for him. And yeah, I'm toast, bro. 786. Last chance. Climbed the little rope net thing by himself. That was really cool to see because that's a tough one. So I was really proud of him. Proud daddy. Very, very proud daddy. Got him this little like tri scooter. Come on now. I saw pictures. I think it was this one actually. This was for his today birthday present. His birthday. We're having his party Saturday. We got him this one. This exact one. Pretty sure. All right, little man, go rolling around the house. Go running into stuff. Put holes in my walls. It's all good. That's what it's all about, right? All right, come on. Come on. Nice bounce there off the 786. Getting a push. Volume. Nice spike in volume. Here we go. Come on. Amazing. Make them core memories. Yep. Come on. Don't do it to me. Is there anything else pumping? Anything moving? How's River looking? Ooh, looks like it got a dump today. Shaw did. That's a brutal, brutal megaphone. Ruh-roh. Is the inverse head and shoulders going to play out? It's 4 hour. Got money flow coming out. True 7-2. Momentum to the downside. But setting up for a potential bullish divergence. First time I've been able to watch your stream, and yeah, I got my sub. You've got the LXO seal of approval or order of approval. That means something. Make crypto honest again. That's right, Blair Forest 1. Thank you for being here, and thank you for joining the Beach Club, the Wave Riders. Do greatly appreciate you for joining the show and hitting that like and the sub and all that. And yeah, appreciate you. Appreciate your kind words, man. Mad love. Mad love. Yep. Making crypto honest again for show. We're transparent. As Alexo says, we share our trades. We show our trades. Good or bad. Right now, this is kind of a bad trade. Started off well. Then it's just been sideways during the whole stream, which tends to be how my stream trades go. Because there's almost never... Look, if you want to make money, you just don't trade during the hour that I stream. Maybe. There's always... I feel like there's always like one trade within an hour. A decent one, too. And that was a break. Technically. However, comma, pause for effect, as Piper says. Ah, come up with your own catchphrases, David. Man, that's such a nice bounce off the 786. Coming back to fair value gap, I want to see if this thing can bounce here. It's also got the 50 here. It's going to need to do it. Getting a push. So yeah, if we're just following basic market structure, we can see, where is it? We've got 1, 2, 3. That's one move. This is another move. Why? Because this did not take out this high. Therefore, whatever low comes in, the lowest low after this high, is that next low until that high gets broken. I mean, yeah. So if it went even lower, as long as it, no, it would take this out too. So whatever the next low is, whatever the lowest low is, that's going to be the low until you break this high, or until you do this. Now you've got a new low and a new high. Makes sense? It's market structure. Break. So when you're moving up like this, this does not become a high until you come down and break the low. Otherwise, you could keep going to the upside and create a new high. And that's when you look for bounces. Or maybe even sweeps and then bounce. Which is kind of what I'm hoping we don't get here, because I would get stopped out. Target first, then come down. Come on. Sorry. ADHD. Haven't even looked at ETH because it's garbage. Particularly when it comes to trading. Trading ETH. It's not fun. I've never had fun. Not that it's supposed to be fun, but you know what I mean. It don't act right. Now, ETH's got a little bit more curve to it, which makes it kind of interesting. But we also have this, which is, I mean, it looks almost perfect. Turn that magnet off. Let's go ahead and move this over a little bit. Sometimes I get lost in thought, and sometimes when I do get lost in thought, it's good to say something in the chat so that I bring it back to reality, unless other people are getting lost in my thoughts too. So unless you guys are also getting lost in my thoughts, or if you just have me on in the background, that's cool too. I appreciate the watch time. Engagement of any kind is preferred. Really trying. So actually, I think Ethereum is looking more like the banana than Bitcoin. It's the banana zone. What is the banana zone? Just an old term coined in the 50s, 70s, 73, I think. Some old head trader. Some old head trader talked about it kind of get an expansion. Banana split. Take out the highs. Destroyed. Now, the banana is supposed to be bullish. A bullish reversal. So, it might not do exactly that. But you got the banana. An old term that nobody uses anymore. But there you go. Now you know it. But anyways, Ethereum is above the dynamic reactor on the 4-hour. And it is green. What I don't like is taking these highs and not getting a close above them. And I'm pretty sure we have that across the board. I know Bitcoin did the same, swept the highs, did not close above. It is getting a 4-hour bounce off the dynamic reactor, so we still might get a short-term push here. Check on trade. Okay, of course. But we did get a break here. We did get a close above this line. Trying to hold it. It's possible. I mean, we have been consolidating in a range at the highs, which I do like. I don't mind, I should say. However, this could easily turn into a Bart Simpson of a kind. Not the prettiest one, but that's what I would be looking out for tomorrow. Look for, well, maybe even during London. But this could be moving all around, come into tomorrow, come up. Maybe it even creates like some equal highs up here. And if it does that, look for equal lows or relatively equal lows down here. Because I got a feeling that it would do something like this. And you'll see it fall back within the range. Retrace, that's where I would pull a fib. And look for a reaction within the golden zone. And then run it down to the lows. Probably more. These lows look juicy. These lows look juicy. Lots and lots of juicy lows. Notice some illiquid price action in the US 10-year and US 20-year on March 20th, 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. Bonds turn out to be insolvent. Yikes. I think that's just order book stuff, and it's bonds. It's not the same. Oh. It's not the same. Bonds already look, well, I'm not on the right watch list. What do you say, 10 and 20? I mean, the 1 minute, I mean, it's all terrible. 5 minutes probably going to be pretty much the same. But what are you talking about? Illiquid price action? What do we mean by illiquid price action? Well, let's go to March 20th. Are we talking about this? This gap? That's from market close to market open. Are we seeing fixed range volume profile? There's no volume on this, so you said 20-year as well. Look at those wicks. Those are some crazy wicks. That's wild. What are we at now? Gosh. 4.37 on the 10. On the 2, we're at 3.98. So it's not even a 50-point spread. I know they were at 50 points for a little while there, which is typically an early sign of recession. But we seem to be going in session, recession on, recession off, recession on, recession off. For the last, I don't know, since COVID, sector by sector by sector. I read something prior to the stream that says something about the Mag 7 has been losing to the rest of the stock, decoupling from the rest of the stock market. That would be these: your Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook / Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. Pretty sure it was saying they were decoupling from, like, these were down against the rest of the stock market. Gold is trying to either flag or round over. Would like to see it break, back tests, and go 43 to 44. That would look good. Decoupling is a joke. Credit rules risk, no exception. Consolidation is a different story. Indeed. They scrubbed the charts, I'll be damned. Perhaps. There's a gap. Is there something with volume on the bonds? US 10-year. Oh, we do have a VWAP. We do have a volume. Wait, where's the 20th? Wait, why is this? What is this? Note futures. TYM 6, 2026. Expiry 25/05/2026. Sir, these are U.S. Treasury notes. Please do the date how it's supposed to be done. Day, month, year. Not month, day, year. Wait. Day, month, year. Yeah. Wait, that's how I do it. Wait. It's backwards. We do day, month, year, right? Wait, that is day, month, year. Is it my time to go? Getting delusional. USDT Les Dominos. Okay, this is one I would look out for. This is, we'll see, but might want to come down and take some extra lows down here. But if it leaves behind this fair value gap, it might use that for fuel later. So it could come up and hit it now. Get that fair value gap. and then push down. And if this is moving down, Bitcoin, rest of crypto, most of the rest of crypto is moving up. If this is moving up, everything is moving down. Inverse correlation, obviously. And yeah, that'd be that'd actually be pretty nice right there. And then break to the upside, and then Bitcoin rolls over. But first, push up into its own fair value gap, and then roll over. But if they're both doing it at the same time, no, wait. USDT moves up first. Yep, moves down first, then up. Yeah, getting tired. Month, day, year, or day, month, year. I'm trying to remember. I'm pretty sure we used to do, yeah, here in the States, we do month, day, and year. Month, day, year. But I've been writing it on my paperwork at work. I'll write like today, I'll write 23 MAR 2026. That's how I write it. 23 MAR 2026. Just so no one is confused. I could put 26, but then people will get confused. They'll think it's the 1920s. As long as they're not a Gen Zer. Moving down, 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 as I suspected. Should have took my little baby profits and ran. Till it is, we'll be okay. We'll be okay. Okay, date formats are hard. Are they though? They were during Y2K. People didn't know what to do with that. People freaked out. If you were around during Y2K, then you remember how crazy people were going over that stuff. Shorts just paid me. Heck yeah, 666. Good job. Should have hit that short on that tweezer top there at the dynamic reactor. See that? A little bit of tweezers. Leaving behind some equal highs there, bud. Me likey's the equal highs. Come and take them. Back at the golden pocket. Don't know if it'll get a bounce this time. No, well. We'll see. It is after my stream time, so now it should get moving one way or another. Maybe it'll want to come down to take the previous hour low and then run up to take the high. The previous hour high. Or was it this one? High. Nope, it is that one. And low. Oh, it just took the previous low. Previous hour low. Look at that. Candle range theory in action. that here? 1018. No, that had to be this one. Am I going insane? Don't answer that. Has not taken it. Okay. I think I was looking at the green line, and that's what got me confused. That's okay. Anyways, I need to go. Go away. Can't see. All right, guys. RMT, bro, how you doing, man? Thank you for joining. I do greatly appreciate you. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, hitting that subscribe if you are new and enjoyed tonight's stream. Sub if you enjoy live trading. I do a little bit of everything. I do live trading. I do a little bit of news and such, economic data. Very trading focused though. Primarily, first and foremost. And whether or not I trade during my stream depends on liquidity. It depends on how I'm feeling that day, because can't trade if it's been a bad day. I do have a day job, so if it's been a bad day, if it's been a rough day, and I'm not woosah, no trade. We gotta be sharp in our mental, in our emotions. We gotta be good to go. It literally just went to my entry and reversed. All right, guys. I do greatly appreciate. Hold on. There you are. I do greatly appreciate each and every single one of you for joining me this evening. I will, join the Discord. It is free. All that good stuff. Link in the description. If not, it's pinned in the chat. If also not, ask someone else for my Discord link, or find me on Twitter or X at Lunar Beaches and say, hey, can I get an invitation to the Discord? And I'll send you an invitation. And yeah, we'll hang out. We'll have good times. We'll share charts and have fun and memes and stuff and things. And yeah, we're just come be a part of the larger trading community. But yeah, I don't have anything else. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I have class after work, but you know I'll be here sharing what happened and all that stuff. But of course it's dumping. But yeah, I'm always terrible at getting off the stream. Thank you for joining me. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all in the next one. I love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out.
I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the Med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC.